Here's Bubby looking at the fire truck. He's so amazed. What did you just tell me, buddy? Is it so cool?
I get up there and fight.
No, you can't get up there, buddy. No, no, no.
Oh, Mommy.
Did you see the hoses? Bubby,
Hey, Mommy, yeah.
did you see the hoses?
They're right there.
Yeah. Is it so cool, buddy?
They're going and fire truck.
You want to drive it?
Yeah. Mommy, I go up there and fire truck.
You want to go up there to the fire truck?
Yeah.
Is that so neat?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I go there.
Go see the back? Ooh, there's another ladder. And look at the flag. Look at the flag at the back, buddy.
I go up there to fly.
Yeah.
I go up there to fly.
No, we can't climb up there. No, no.
Why?
Well, because the firemen probably don't like that, buddy.
Why?
Because it's their truck. It's not our truck.
Why?
Okay, let's